Hello guys and welcome back. This time we are gonna do the unboxing for new product release from HOHEM. HOHEM is a company known for making gimbals. Today they launched another new product which is the iSteady V3. I received this a month before their launch date, which is today, and I use it, I tested it. My thought and point of view about this small gimbal is quite impressive. It has magnetic AI, feel light, 3-axis stabilization, built-in tripod and selfie stick, and of course the detachable remote control. So if you are guys interested in purchasing this, I have two links, discounted links in the description box below so you can get the discount. Yes, thank you HOHEM for sending me this product for testing, and God bless you guys. See you.